Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today as I make homemade bread pizza. And please guys, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So to start, I'm going to go ahead to arrange these 4 slices of bread which I'm going to be using for this recipe on my oven rack. And after that, I will spread some pizza sauce on them. So next I'm going to add some cheese crumbs on them. This is optional. You can go ahead to start adding your toppings, then after that you can add some cheese. And for my topping, I have fresh sliced tomatoes, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, chicken sausage, and also my crumb cheese. I'll go ahead to top it up on my slices of bread. Please, my amazing viewers, join my YouTube membership to become part of this amazing family and to see all my exclusive videos and other benefits that follows. And don't forget to support my channel by sending me super thanks or super sticker. Lastly, I'm going to sprinkle some mixed seasoning herbs on it. Then after that, I'll place it in my oven, allow it to bake for about 12 minutes. Please guys, make sure you do not forget to preheat your oven. So 12 minutes later, I'm going to go ahead to take out my pizza from the oven. So guys, can you see how delicious and yummy this bread pizza look like? Don't forget to tell me what you think about this recipe in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this recipe. And please guys, if today is your first time of coming across this channel, click on that subscription button and also turn on your notification bell icon so you'll be the first to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Please like and share this video. See you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.